Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the font size on the iPhone 15. Now this specific device that I'm using is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the first thing that we're going to want to do on our device is go ahead and go to the settings or gear icon. First tap that, then the next thing you will do is scroll down until you see an option for display and brightness. Go ahead and select that next. And then you're going to see right there in the center of the screen, there's an option for text size. Go ahead and tap that option. And now if you look at the very bottom, there is a slider that you can make adjustments to the font size, whether you want larger or smaller. And it gives you an example of the size of the text. Once you have the size of text that you want, you simply press back on your device and everything moving forward will be set to that size of preference. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If it was, leave me a comment and feel free to give me a thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.